Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, how are you? I hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIEBS Homeschool, and this is Mokter Hossain, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies, National Ideal English Version School Day Shift. Today I am going to take an Islamic Studies class for the students of class Junior 1, and our today's topic is word meaning. So dear students, we have already finished our annual term examination syllabus. From now we'll start our revision. So dear students, let's see the board. Topic word meaning, lecture number 18, SW number 18, term annual 21, and today's date. So dear students, let's start our today's topic. Topic word meaning, toa to fa. Toa is for toirun, meaning bird. Zoa for zoafrun, meaning nail. Ain for adatun, meaning habit. Goin for ghaslun, meaning wash. And fa for farasun, meaning horse. Dear students, I repeat, toa for toirun, meaning bird. Zoa for zoafrun, meaning nail. Ain for adatun, meaning habit. Goin for ghaslun, meaning wash. Fa for farasun, meaning horse. Dear students, now SW, and SW topic will be word meaning alls. So dear students, I hope you have understood today's topic properly. Keep practicing at your home. Abide by your parents. Stay safe and well. See you again inshallah. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.